Hi, I'm Sharon from thehealthyrunner.com, and today we're going to talk about exercises to strengthen your wrist muscles and elbow muscles when you're having wrist or elbow pain. So we're going to start off with just a 3-pound weight, and you want to find some place where you can rest your arms. So that can either be on a table or on a chair. I'm going to use this exercise ball right here. So you want to have your elbow resting, and you want to start off with a really light weight. So something like 1 or 2 pounds tops probably. And you could also use just like a water bottle or a can, like a soup can or a can of tomatoes. And you're gonna rest your elbow on the ball, and with your palm down, you're just gonna lift up and down. I'm going to scoot forward a little so I can get a little more range of motion there. So up and down. And if you're having elbow pain, you want this to be relatively pain-free. You might feel it just a tinge, but if it's getting worse as you're doing this exercise, or if it is pretty intense, then this isn't the right exercise for you. Okay, and then the next one, you're going to just flip over, so now your palm is facing up. And you're just going to lift up and down that direction. And then the next one, you're going to hold on to one side of the weight, or you can do this with a hammer or even something lighter if you're not ready for that. And you're just going to tap from one side to the other. Doing it really slowly and controlled. This is going to work those rotating muscles that all insert up in that elbow. Okay, and then in addition to that, working the bicep muscle just to help strengthen the muscles on top of the elbow. So just starting with a really light weight again, straightening the elbow and then just bringing it straight up and down really slowly. And then if that feels okay, then you can bring your elbow up above your head and work that tricep. So straightening up and back down. And you want to do this with your elbows remaining still. And if this direction bothers your shoulder at all, you can just bring it behind you as well. So kind of leaning forward and doing a kickback that way, just really slow and controlled. Okay, and then the final exercise we're going to go over today is the towel squeeze. So that helps strengthen those muscles in that forearm as well, taking some of the pressure off of the wrist and the elbow. And you're just going to rest your hand on something again, and you're going to roll up a towel, any kitchen towel or a hand towel, and squeeze it gently, and then relax. You can also do this if you have a stress ball or some soft squishy ball would work as well. But most people have at least a towel. So you're just going to squeeze and relax, holding just for a couple seconds at a time. Hopefully these exercises help with your wrist and elbow pain. If you want to look into more things to help your elbow and wrist pain, you can check out my exercise on self-massage in the forearm and upper arm, as well as the flexibility video for wrist and elbow.